Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today we're talking about another play to earn game. It's called CoinLeague. We're going to talk about what the game's about. I've also got the team to explain how to join and create a game and how to basically play the game. So I'll include his videos that he recorded for me. I thought it was best asking the team so they can exactly tell you how to do it all. Show you all the ropes and whatnot and all the tips and tricks. So I've got some videos to include from them guys. But before we do, let's talk about what is CoinLeague. So you can click this button here on About Game. This is their website, and then it gives you all the information. And also, they also have NFTs, which we'll go through later. So, CoinLeague, welcome to CoinLeague soft launch beta, a crypto price prediction game running on Polygon network. So they're also they now have BNB, so you can also use BNB. They're also on BSC Smart Chain, so you can now use BNB if you want to. So the website hasn't updated just yet for that, but so yeah, they're on Polygon, they're on BSC, they're powered by Chainlink and BITT Token and built by DexKit. Please be aware this version of the game is in soft launch beta. This means we'll be monitoring the game for improvements as more users slowly join. By playing this version, you're helping develop the game, etc., etc. So yeah, it's in the beta, guys. So obviously expect bugs to be around and whatnot, and make sure to give feedback in their Discord if you do enjoy the game and start getting into it. Owning an NFT, which will go down here. What is the utility? So you also have revenue share. So 5% of a game revenue will be used to purchase BITT Token, BITT, and will be distributed to the NFT holders via direct airdrops to their wallets. So yeah, if you do hold one of the CoinLeague NFTs, 5% of game revenue share will go to the NFT holders in the form of BITT Token, which is really neat. An extra little bonus thing there. NFT holders will be able to claim their position of their portion of revenue share monthly, which will be distributed in BITT Token. NFT holders will gain access to the CoinLeague game room, so you also get exclusive game rooms, which will, as it says here, you get bigger jackpots and whatnot. So the Royal Rumble has been added to the game room already with a jackpot. So there you are. Gameplay multipliers. So here's the bonuses you also get. NFT multipliers are for Captain coins only and are based on their NFT body type and will be used in NFT game room. NFT base 1, BITT Token 1.7, and it goes down. So you have different types of CoinLeague NFTs. So if we just click off this dead quick and we look at the little images here, you've got Polkadot, you got Bitcoin, you got Dogecoin, Chainlink, so on and so on. You got BITT Token, Ethereum, Cardano, one chain, I think that is right there. So each one has different multipliers. So BITT Token, you get 1.7 multiplier. Bitcoin 1.65. So so the higher rarity of your NFT, the better multipliers you also get, which I think is really neat. Another thing, you can fight your NFTs for points and monthly prizes. Each NFT is minted with a random attack, defend, and run value from 0 to 1,000. Players can fight their NFTs against each other. The rarity of the NFT gives them a better roll. Fight is determined by the rarity of the rarity or the NFT, as well as the attack, defense, and run values. Fight frequency. Players will be able to enter one fight for every 1 hour to 4 hour game that they play. Players will be able to enter 2 fights for every 8 hours to 1 week game they play. Points recorded on the battle leaderboard. Weekly, monthly prizes will go into the top fighters. So that's pretty neat. And then they've got upcoming stuff. More NFT games will be built in the game, including special NFT tournaments. Yeah, there we are. Roadmap. Let's have a little nosy at the roadmap. So let's ignore Q1 because it's all done, but they did have the beta, marketing, basements, etc. Q1, so they've got a new NFT mini games added, NFT battles, CoinLeague Binance Smart Chain, so that's been ticked off. Q2 of 2022, they're going to have a V2 GUI release, more NFT mini games to be added. And then Q3, they're going to have a marketing machine overdrive and BitBoy crypto and affiliates. So yeah, BitBoy has played this game. His entire team have played this game. He's also marketed it. They're also big investors into the project as well. There's also that. So how to play the game, guys. I'm going to show you how to create a game on CoinLeague right now. So this is one of the devs that are going to be talking and showing you.
Hi everyone, today I will show how to create a game on CoinLeague platform. This game is on BSC and or Polygon. You can easily switch between networks here to check games on BSC or Polygon. Actually, there is no games in progress. So to create a game, it's easily Now I am on BSC. My wallet is on BSC connected. I am connected with MetaMask, and I will create a game. I can usually create a game here. Just check the which levels we want to choose. I will choose the beginner one. Game duration, if it's 1 hour, 4 hours, or 1 week. How many coins? If it's 1, 2, or 5, I will choose pick two coins. The amount of players, I always choose the maximum. And the start date of this game, I will put this game to start tomorrow. Check here. And I can create multiple games if I need it. So this is easy as create game. MetaMask wallet will trigger to us to create the game. We just confirm, and the transaction was submitted. We just wait to Binance Smart Chain to confirm the transaction, and it will go to the game. So that's it. It's easier to create a game on CoinLeague.
Hey guys, so that was how you create a game on CoinLeague. And if you're interested in maybe just joining a game rather than creating one, here's another video from the dev himself. So here you are.
Hi everyone. So today I will show how to join a game. So I created the game, and now I want to join a game. So this game is one hour time. It will start in 10 hours. So I will do some trading analysis, and I will pick up some coins that I'll know that will be on bull season. So if I know that the coin will be in bull season in 10 hours, I will just pick up that coins and submit the transaction. So to join a game, we need to choose a captain and a normal currency. A captain is a currency that will have a multiplier, 1.2 multiplier on the score. So we need to choose careful our captain, because it will improve our final score. So let's choose a captain. We have a list of coins here. Let me choose cake. And for a normal coin, let me choose, let's put Ethereum. So we choose the captain, we choose our other currency. This is a game that have 2 coins, and we just enter the game. Our MetaMask will trigger. This is our pot, what we need to pay to enter on the game. So we just confirm, and our transaction is submitted. Now we wait for the network confirmation. It was confirmed. So let's wait to the app to show. So basically we are on the game. Here you can check the coins, and the game will start in 10 hours.
Okay, so that's how you join a game, guys. And you know, it's dead basic, dead simple, and it is a good way to earn some extra income, you know, during bear markets or even bull runs. So if you want to get extra coins, maybe a bit of BITT Token, bit of polygon, etc., then you can do using CoinLeague. The game has a bright future. You know, the devs, the team work very, very hard on it. They're very friendly in the Discord. They're very happy to do suggestions and listen to the community and give feedback and all that good stuff. So yeah, if you are interested in CoinLeague, I'm going to leave the links down below, like the Twitter, the Discord, and all that stuff. If you are a Pluto Alliance member, I'm going to personally be setting up some games just for us, and for those who win, we'll be like doing CNFT giveaways as well from Justin and DZ. So yeah, that's something extra for the Pluto Alliance people. I'm going to be hosting them very soon. So yeah, if you guys did enjoy today's video, please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.